or welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, hi, my name is Lux, aka Ohima. And if you know me, hey girl, what's up, what's happening? Welcome back to the Vibes Yeah. So yeah, your girl is back with another hair tutorial, and yes, it's another wig. I know y'all missed my braids tutorial, but your girl is transitioning into being a wig girl. So yeah, and Lovely Hair has been hooking me up. I mean, these glueless wigs are doing it for me, y'all, like doing it for me. And even though they are glueless, you know, I had to be a little extra and went ahead and added a little glue because this is actually a full lace front. So I won't play those games with a full lace front. Maybe if it's like, you know, like a closure wig, okay, you don't need glue. But I'm not gonna play these games with the full lace front. So I went ahead and added a little glue to it. So like, you know, the whole front line could be looking right and tight. But as you can see, like the wig fits perfectly off rip. You know, off rip, it was the perfect fit, so which made the job a little easier for me. So yeah, so you always want to make sure you go ahead and make sure your lace is blended with your skin tone. So this is why we're adding a little, you know, foundation to the lace, and make sure you add it to your cap, because I know y'all see the top of my cap is brown. That's because, you know, I want to make sure it looks just like my hair, well, just like my scalp. Yeah, exactly. So that's always step number one. Yeah, go ahead, add all of that. Come on, girl. We gotta get to the next one. Okay? All right. So next, next you want to make sure you adjust your cap, you know, properly and stuff, and then go ahead and use some glue. Now, normally the girls will use, you know, regular hair glue, but I didn't have hair glue at the moment, so the spray did it for me. And y'all, let me tell y'all, this stuff holds, okay? I've been using this over and over again, like it's actually actual hair glue, and it works just fine. So you want to make sure you do that, and once you spray, you want to make sure you blow dry it with heat, okay? Well, I used the low heat, but you want to make sure that, you know, the air is blowing hot, because you want your glue to get a little tacky and sticky, as you see, like, you know how I'm testing with my fingers, because you want to make sure it gets a little sticky. And once it gets a little sticky, then you good to go. We're gonna go ahead and cut off the ears, you know, while basically chopping up the little lace, the little extra lace. So at the moment, my hair wasn't dry. Well, not the hair, the glue wasn't dry. So I had to go back and, you know, do it again or whatever before I cut off the excess lace. But yes, you want to make sure you take your time with this. This is the most important part, because this is the part that will melt your lace like it needs to be melted. All right. So normally after, you know, blow drying your lace is not supposed to flip like this when you cut it off. You see how by my sideburn my lace is flipped up? It's not supposed to look like that. So please take your time with drying your hair. I was being very impatient, okay, and my lace didn't dry completely. That's why my freaking lace is lifting like it is. So, but it's okay. If you're here, it's because you're a newbie like me. So I'm making these videos for newbies like me, and making sure that y'all don't make the mistakes that I make, so y'all don't gotta be like me. Okay, all right. But anyways, this will be the part, you know, after cutting the lace, this will be the part where you apply glue at the, you know, at the front of your lace, you know, the bond, gold bond, ghost bond, whatever it's called. This is where you will add this, but I didn't have it, so I just went ahead and added a little extra makeup on it to kind of just, you know, cover up the little line. So I try my best, but the glue really does it for you. I just didn't have it at the moment, so the makeup did it for me. Okay, but see here, here's the little tips and tricks. Okay, ow. So after cutting the excess cap or whatever, go ahead and get your wig and line it up correctly with your hairline. So first thing I'm doing here is just removing the excessive lace because it was all over my eyes, girl. I couldn't see what I was doing. But yeah, so once you do that, here go the hot comb again. I don't told y'all the hot comb is your bestie. If you don't got this right now, chances are your wig still look like it's from the pack. Like, yeah. The hot comb does it all for you. But this right here is a trick, okay? This is another trick I learned from the girls. If you want that natural hairline to make it look like it's coming from your scalp, please do this first. Use your got to be glue, spray it on your hairline, and then go in with a hot comb, okay? The hot comb will lay it like it's coming from your head. All right, this right here is a secret, baby. This is the secret step. But now, before you do this, make sure you pull out your baby hairs. That's the mistake I made. But like I said, I'm here to make the mistakes for y'all, so y'all don't gotta make it. All right, so make sure you pull out the baby hairs before you do this step right here, and then you want to go ahead and tie your hair down. Don't judge this. I usually have a regular elastic band, but for some reason I didn't have anything on me, just like everything else. I ain't had nothing on me. Was very unprepared, so I had to do what I had to do with what I had at the moment. So yeah, so first you want to get your baby hairs out before you do this process. So at this point, your baby hairs should be sticking out while you're laying your lace down. Yeah, but this right here works like magic, So, like I said, for that natural hairline look, make sure you spray it first. First take out your baby hairs. Then spray the got to be glue on the hairline, and then use a hot comb, and then use whatever you use to lay your edges down with, and that right there will give you the look. As you can see, y'all see, like, just look at the hairline. Looks like it's coming out of my scalp. No, baby, it ain't. That's why I'm about to cut the little excess lace now and line it up with my natural hairline. All right. And baby, please do not be like me and be a scaredy cat when it comes to cutting your lace. You are supposed to cut the lace. I don't know why I kept this excess lace that you can see right there. I guess I was just scared. But ding, ding, ding. Another mistake I made, so you won't have to, okay? Make sure you cut your lace down to your hairline. It just makes your wig look more natural, because if you just keep that excessive lace, it just looks like a wig. And we really here because we want this to grow out of our scalp, right? All right. So yes, don't be like me. Cut that excess lace off. That's exactly what I should have done, but that's exactly what I've learned. Ow. Now, you see how I done laid my wig and everything, and now I remember the baby hairs. And now I'm messing up the hard work that I put in just now, right? Exactly. This is the reason why I tell you guys, make sure your baby hairs are sticking out before you go ahead and use the hot comb and the got to be glue spray combo. Because it just messes up the laidness of it, right? Right. Learn the hard way so you won't have to. Ow. And y'all, and if you don't know, now you know, baby hairs are it, okay? Baby hairs just seal the deal. So make sure you get them right. My camera died, so don't think, or don't act like I ain't do my sideburns. Yes, I did. But my camera died in the middle of me recording the sideburns part. So I was just like, whatever. They get the picture. If you don't know how to lay no edges, baby, somebody somewhere got a tutorial for it. Maybe I should make a tutorial, but I don't feel like I'm good enough to make a tutorial when it comes to edges, as you can see. But yes, the edges just seal the deal for you all the times. So don't ever forget to lay your baby hairs, okay? Don't do that. But this is kind of what the finished look looks like. maybe I can make an edge tutorial. What y'all think? Because my edges is laid. Okay, purr. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bow. Yes, girl. So at the end of it all, this is what I got, honey. It's giving what it's supposed to give. So like I told y'all, make sure y'all check out Love Me Hair, because Love Me Hair is that girl and they're going to set you up. But for now, I'm going to check out. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you on my next video. Ow.